Hi there, I'm Jamie. I'm really excited to present you my amazing tutorials about photorealistic lighting, shading, texturing, rendering and post-production with 3ds Max, Vray and Photoshop. I have over 10 years of experience in 3D, visualization, film and post-production industry. I've published many popular books about 3ds Max, Vray, Mentor and post-production. My first class starts with a step-by-step detailed process on how to set up a photorealistic daylight exterior scene. In this unique tutorial, you will learn how to consistently create realistic cameras, scene compositions, lighting, shading, texturing, and the best settings for final renders. Also, you'll have an insight into setting up V-Ray render elements for post-production. During this post-production class, you will learn some of the best post-production processes used in visualization and film industry. By the end of this class, you will have all the necessary skills to create stunning daylight exterior renders consistently.